Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you have been using Waze for a while now, everything is working perfectly, but now you plug your iPhone into your car, CarPlay launches, but Waze won't open at all. Or, even worse, it opens, then freezes, there is lag, it won't navigate. So in today's small tutorial, we wanna go through how to actually fix Waze not working on CarPlay. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, check Waze in CarPlay settings. On your iPhone, go through settings, general, then CarPlay, select your vehicle and make sure Waze is in the list and not hidden at all. If it's not there, you can easily go ahead and tap the plus button icon to add it. Otherwise, it's time now to update the app and your operating system. Make sure you are running iOS 12 or later, since it's required for CarPlay, and that Waze is updated to the latest version. Then, try to restart the connection. Unplug your iPhone, force close Waze, restart your phone, then reconnect to your car. Sometimes the connection simply needs to be refreshed. Then, check your car's firmware. If Waze still won't work, check if your car's entertainment system has a firmware update available. If it does, go ahead and update it. You can do it through Wi-Fi if it supports it, or basically you can do it through a USB as well. Anyway, then try to reinstall Waze if nothing works. A clean reinstall of the Waze app can resolve persistent CarPlay issues, and that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.